What if I told you that today there are weapons capable of sinking entire navies with a single beam of light? This is not science fiction. The United States, Russia, China, Israel, and the most powerful nations are already testing lasers that blind satellites, burn vehicles in seconds, and wipe out entire missile salvos before they even cross the first line of defense. This is not a tactical improvement. It is a revolution. Impact at the speed of light, a cost per shot that is almost zero, and the ability to blind the enemy's surveillance network without an explosion, without smoke, only silence and destruction. Today, on TechZNX, you will discover the 7 most powerful and devastating laser weapons humanity has ever created. Machines so advanced they look like they were born in the 22nd century. So get ready, because when this video ends, the sky, the sea, and even space will seem far more dangerous than you ever imagined. Let's begin. Number 7. ANSEQ-3 Laws. We start the ranking with the weapon that stopped being theory and put for the first time a ray of light on the deck of war, the Laws. The United States Navy's laser that proved to the world that beams of energy are not science fiction. It is not the biggest bullet on this list, but it is the one that changed the rules. Mounted on a ship's deck, AWS showed that a concentrated beam can blind sensors, set light targets ablaze, and disintegrate drones in seconds. No roar, no smoke column, only a point of light, and then silence. The most crushing part of AWS was not its absolute power, but its message. For the first time, a fleet showed the world it could defend itself against swarms and small threats without spending missiles worth thousands or tens of thousands of dollars each. Installed on the USS Ponce back in the year 2014, the system shot down drones and proved laser defense was practical, effective, and economical. Its limits are clear: tactical range, performance dropping with rain, fog, or dust, and heavy dependence on stable power and cooling. But AWS is the operational pioneer, the first proof that war is no longer tied only to explosives. Now, there is a weapon that fights with light, precision, and cost efficiency. Number 6. Hellmd. From ship decks to the battlefield, the Hellmd turns a truck into a platform of destruction at the speed of light. Imagine a heavy vehicle that, instead of cannons or missiles, carries a beam that heats, burns, and destroys targets. Designed to intercept drones, neutralize mortars, and blind enemy sensors on the move. This system successfully downed multiple aerial threats in tests, something interceptors cannot do without draining logistics. Its nightmare power is not just speed, but cost. While a missile interceptor is worth tens of thousands of dollars, each laser shot is practically free. Saturation attacks suddenly lose all meaning if the defender has energy. Of course, weather and power supply limit it, but mobility makes it lethal. Moving in convoys, guarding bases and roads, protecting advanced positions. HEL-MD pushes lasers into the battlefield itself. Number 5. Athena. Here comes the leap between experiment and battlefield dominance. Athena, Lockheed Martin's transportable laser system. Athena is designed to incinerate drones, pierce fuselages, and disable projectiles in seconds. In public tests, it destroyed large drones and burned out optics. Its terrifying edge lies in scalability and portability. Mounted on trailers or fixed platforms, it can scale up power output and link to advanced generators for sustained fire. Imagine an airbase under drone attack. Interceptors run out, missiles cost fortunes. But Athena calmly burns one after another. Its limitations, weather, power, and cooling, are solvable with future tech. That makes Athena one of the clearest steps towards standard defensive lasers. Number 4. Dragonfire. Now we enter the arena of true anti-missile curtains. Dragonfire, the British-European project, is designed to shield fleets, ports, and strategic corridors. This is not a toy. Dragonfire can intercept mortars, rockets, cruise missiles, and massive drone swarms with surgical precision. Its purpose? Replace expensive interceptors with a single continuous beam. Its strength is precision and cadence. Instead of one costly missile per target, Dragonfire carves multiple threats in seconds, burning sensors and crippling systems silently. Integrated with modern radars, command, and electronic warfare, Dragonfire prioritizes threats and manages energy to maximize survival. A European push to make laser defense practical, and it is getting close. Number 3. Helios. Helios is built not for experiments, but to defend entire fleets. Integrated into the Aegis system, Helios can deliver dozens of kilowatts now, with future designs aiming past 100 kilowatts. That means it can burn drones, degrade cruise missiles, and blind enemy sensors, all in one system. Picture this. A swarm of drones descends on a destroyer. Before, missiles or phalanx guns were the last line of defense. With Helios, Aegis locks on and the laser melts them in silence. One by one, they fall like broken puppets. Helios also doubles as an optical weapon, blinding cameras and sensors, combining raw power with electronic warfare. It demands brutal cooling and vast power supplies, but its role in naval warfare is already rewriting the playbook. Number 2. Iron Beam Direct and Merciless. Iron Beam is already real, operational, and deadly. With power around 100 kilowatts and effective ranges up to several kilometers, it is Israel's answer to rocket and drone saturation attacks. What makes it terrifying? Cost per shot near zero, compared to missiles worth thousands. Sustained cadence. As long as there is power, it keeps firing. Operational today. Tested in real combat scenarios. Its weaknesses, fog, dust, rain, are technical, not strategic. In practice, Iron Beam makes mass rocket fire a suicidal tactic. It is a real barrier, already deployed. Number 1. Parisvet. Now the Colossus. Parisvet, Russia's secretive space warfare laser. This is not for drones. It is for satellites, for the eyes of the enemy. Parisvet can blind surveillance, communications, and GPS satellites in low orbit. Imagine, in seconds, a laser beam wipes out cameras in space, severs positioning systems, and leaves entire militaries blind. No explosions, no visible trace, just darkness. Why is it the most dangerous? Strategic reach. Satellites are the backbone of modern warfare. Multiplier effect: one satellite lost cripples entire networks. Asymmetry. Killing a satellite with a missile is costly and risky. Blinding it with a beam is fast, silent, and harder to attribute. Parisvet means one thing: whoever controls the light controls the war. And there you have it, the 7 most brutal laser weapons on Earth today. Machines that do not scream, but that burn drones, blind satellites, and turn entire fleets into easy prey with a single beam of light. Now tell me, should these weapons be banned before they spread worldwide? Or are they the only way to defend modern nations? Which of these 7 gave you the biggest chill? Leave your answer in the comments. We want to hear from you. If this video blew your mind, hit like, share, and subscribe to TechZNX, because what comes next will be even more shocking. See you in the next video.